Hello everyone, my name is S.Sathwik here. My roll number is 21BQ1A05K0 and I am from 2CSED. In this video, I want to explain about binomial distribution. Without any further delay, let's see this. As you can see here, binomial distribution. By the definition, we can say a binomial distribution is defined as a probability of success or failure outcome in an experiment that is repeated multiple times. For example, in a coin toss experiment, heads or tails, and taking a test could have two possible outcomes, that is, pass or fail. In the binomial formula, the number of times the experiment runs is denoted by n. The probability of one specific outcome is denoted by p. For example, in an experiment to know the probability of getting a 5 on die roll, if you were to roll a die 10 times, the probability of rolling a 1 on any throw is 1 by 6. Roll 10 times and you have a binomial distribution of n is equal to 10, p is equal to 1 by 6. Success is equal to if the roll is 5 on a die. Failure if the roll on die is other than 5. The binomial formula is, the general binomial formula, b of x column n comma p is equal to ncx into px into 1 minus p into n minus x, where b is equal to defined as a binomial probability and x is the total number of success, pass or fail, heads or tails, etc. The p is the probability of success of an individual trail. N is equal to defines the number of trails. As you can see, the above binomial formula can also be written as ncx is equal to n factorial by x factorial into n minus x factorial. Visualization of a binomial distribution. For suppose, consider a trial of an n-independent binomial distribution. Success in n-independent trials is defined with the probability p in binomial distribution with parameters n and p. For instance, an experiment of tossing a fair coin, the number of heads in 20 tosses of a coin has a binomial distribution with parameters n is equal to 20 and p is equal to 50%. The expected value of the binomial distribution is defined as the follows: n into p. The standard error of the binomial distribution is defined as n into p into 1 minus p whole power 1 by 2. Let's see an example about the binomial distribution. For suppose in an experiment for tossing a fair coin of 10 times, the probability of getting 6 heads can be done by this: b of x comma n comma p minus ncx into px into 1 minus p n power n minus 6. The number of heads is equal to n is equal to 10. Tossing head success is equal to 0.5, which means p is equal to 0.5. And q is equal to, p plus q is equal to 1. So p minus q is equal, q is equal to 1 minus p, that is equal to 0.5. X is equal to 6. So solution p of x is equal to 6, 10 6 into 0.5 into power 6 into 0.5 power 4. As you can see, by the calculating, we get the p of x is equal to 6, that is equal to 0.205078125. Derivation of the binomial distribution. The outcome of the binomial distributions are usually depicted as success and failure. The usual notations which are used to denote such notations are p is equal to probability of success, q is equal to probability of failure, that is equal to 1 minus p, therefore p plus q is equal to 1. In a binomial trial, each repetition of experiment involves only two outcomes, independent. That is, in this, the result of one trial does not affect the result of other trial. That is, you can say fair coin. Repeated in this condition remain the same in each trial if states p and q remain constant across trials. In a binomial distribution, the probability of interest are those receiving a certain number of success, that is equal to r. In n independent trials, each having only two possible outcomes and the same probability of p of success. Following is defined as a number of different ways which shows n distinct things may be arranged in order is: free throw binomial distribution. Consider a scenario to find the best free throw shooter on your high school basketball team. To find a season free through percentage free throw binomial distribution is put into use. For this, consider an example of a graphing binomial distribution. Consider variable p that will represent the free throw percentage of your best free throw shooter. If the accuracy of the shooting throw is 90%, then p is equal to 0.9. P represents the probability of a success. To find the probability the athlete will make 3 out of 10 shots in his free throw percentage is 90. Using the binomial formula x n comma p n minus n6 into px into 1 minus p n minus x. So this is how we can done with the binomial distribution. So far, this is what is about the binomial distribution. Yeah, thank